Dear students, in this video I am going to talk about cell biology and particularly about the structure of mitochondria. Cell biology is the study of cell structure, function, cell metabolism, cell communication, cell cycle and cell composition. A cell is the smallest unit of life and all the living beings are made up of cells. Hence, it is called the structural unit of life. And the cell is capable of carrying out all the life functions. So, it is called the functional unit of life. Cell consists of cell membrane, cytoplasm, and cell organelles. One of the important cell organelle is mitochondrion. Mitochondrion is thread-like or granule-like organelle. These membrane-bound organelles are found in the cytoplasm of cells. Mitochondria are present in eukaryotic cells. They are found in plant cells and animal cells. RBC of human and prokaryotes do not contain any mitochondria. Mitochondria is commonly called powerhouse of the cell because it is responsible for the extracting energy from food through cellular respiration. Regarding the origin of mitochondria, there are three hypotheses about the origin of mitochondria. First one is endosymbiotic hypothesis. According to this hypothesis, mitochondria might have originated from prokaryotic cells like bacteria. The bacteria entered the cells as parasites. In the course of time, they maintained symbiotic relationship with the eukaryotic cells. These form the mitochondria. Second hypothesis is autogenous hypothesis. According to this one, the new mitochondria originate by the division of the pre-existing mitochondria. Sometimes the mitochondria became elongated and broken into small pieces. Each piece form a new mitochondria in later stages. Third one, origin from the endoplasmic reticulum. The mitochondria may be formed from the growth and influx of membrane from the endoplasmic reticulum. These are few scientists who are associated with the discovery and the different names which are given for this organelle. The cell organelle was discovered by Fleming and Kolliker in 1882 in the flight muscles of insects. The same structure were called bioplasm by Altman. The term phyla was given by Fleming. The term mitochondria was coined by Carl Benda. Regarding the number of mitochondria, it is related to the functional state of the cell. It depends on the activity of the cell. If the cell is more active, it will have more number of mitochondria. If it is less active, number of mitochondria would be less. The minimum number of mitochondria is 1 per cell. This has been reported in Chlorella and Chlamydomonas. Such type of unicellular organisms have only one mitochondrion. 5 lakh mitochondria have been reported in the flight muscle cell of insects. Flight muscles work all the time, so the number is very large. 50,000 mitochondria have been reported in giant amoeba. Sea urchin egg contains 1,50,000 mitochondria. When we talk about the size of mitochondria, the size of mitochondria is variable. In most cells, their length varies from 3 microns to 10 microns and their width from zero. 0.2 microns to 1 microns. The smallest mitochondria is seen in yeast, whereas the largest mitochondria are found in the oocytes of amphibia. Then shape of mitochondria. It depends on the physiological condition of the cell, type of cell, and the age of cell. Shape is slightly variable. They may be tube-like, filamentous, granular, rod-shaped, ring-shaped, rounded, or vesicular. But common shape of mitochondria is oval shape. They don't have fixed shape. They elongate, shrink, fuse, and split throughout a cell's life. Coming to the structure of mitochondria, the mitochondria is bounded by two membranes, the outer membrane and the inner membrane. The space between the two membranes is called outer compartment or outer chamber or perimitochondrial space or intermembrane space. The space bounded by the inner membrane is called the inner compartment, which is filled with matrix. Because of these two membranes, two compartments are formed. Outer membrane is smooth and permeable and it has less proteins. Perimitochondrial space is filled with watery fluid. Inner membrane is not smooth. It shows folds or finger-like projections called cristae. It has more proteins and it is semi-permeable. Because of the folds of cristae, no part of the matrix is far from the inner membrane. Regarding matrix, within the matrix of mitochondria, granules, enzymes, ribosomes, DNA, divalent ions are present. Here we observe ATP synthase, DNA and ribosomes. Ribosomes of mitochondria are of 70 S type generally. This type of ribosomes is same as that of prokaryotes, but in mammalian mitochondria, 55 S type ribosomes are present. Matrix is rich in enzymes of Krebs cycle for cellular respiration. It is also rich in divalent ions like magnesium ions, manganese ions, ferrous ions, etc. These ions are the activators of enzymes which take part in the cellular respiration. Granules present in the matrix consist of insoluble inorganic salts and are believed to be the binding sites of divalent ions. 2 to 6 circular DNA molecules have been identified within the mitochondria. Circular DNA is rich in C and G, that is cytosine and guanine nucleotides. Mitochondrial DNA has more cytosine and guanine nucleotides. So guanine and cytosine are more as compared to adenosine and thymine. As it contains more C and G, mitochondrial DNA has higher denaturation temperature. Then inheritance pattern of mitochondrial DNA is maternal inheritance. Here we are observing three types of arrangements of cristae. In the first image, cristae are arranged parallel to the long axis of mitochondria, that is longitudinal cristae present in frogs. Second image shows transverse cristae which are present in the adrenal cortex. Network-like cristae are found in WBC of human. In this diagram we see F1 particles or oxysomes. The particles of the outer membrane are stalkless, whereas the particles of the inner membrane are stalked. Each stalked particle consists of a base, stalk and head. They act as a unit of phosphorylation and synthesize ATP. Mitochondria is also known as ATP mill in cell because it produces energy packed molecule, that is ATP, during cellular respiration. It is also termed cell within cell and semi-autonomous cell organelle because mitochondria has its own DNA and it produces its own protein. Means it is able to perform certain activities on its own. Sarcosome is the name of a mitochondrion in a striated muscle fiber, and chondriosome is other name given to mitochondria because it contains enzymes responsible for producing energy. Importance of mitochondria. Mitochondria are vital to our survival. They generate energy currency or cellular currency, that is ATP. They are also involved in other functions like cell signaling and cell death. I will discuss about the functions of mitochondria in next video. Thank you for listening.